Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Such a charming guest from Singapore came to cook with me today. Together we prepare ayam betutu, bumbu genep, sate lilit bepasih, gerang sambal mata, perkedel jagung, tahu sambal hijau, sweet chili sauce, and dadar gulung as a dessert. Thank you so much for coming. Hope to see you again soon. Come and join with me on your next visit to my beautiful island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class too. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Atur suksema!